Hello everybody, this is Vincent Martone here at MarineMax Clearwater again, coming to you on our brand new 2020 Nautique G21. What's very unique about this particular boat is it is outfitted in the solar red and Masters blue, which is an awesome color combination. So you're standing in the boat, as you know, Nautique, if you're familiar with our Nautique brand, we do sea deck throughout the boat. You walk up here toward the helm. This is a good demonstration of what the color pattern is on the outside of the boat. You can check out our photos. We've got the Link Pen Array touchscreen. We've got nice tall tower with bimini, surfboard pockets on top of the foldable bimini, 8.8 JL audio speakers with light rings. The engine inside this particular one is the 400 horsepower PCM Coastal Edition. That means this boat is perfect for our Tampa Bay market. You know, you can use that salt water. It has closed loop cooling, so you don't have to change those risers and manifolds. And if you take a look back here, you have plenty of storage inside both sides. Nice little Nautique cooler included. And what's really special about the G series for 2020 is they took a little design cue from our GS series, but the G series now has 2 transom seats so you can put your boards on while you're hanging out. If you'd like to hear more about our Nautique line or any of our other brands here at MarineMax in Clearwater, give me a call, 803-760-0609, or come on into the showroom. You can always check out our website, www.marinemax.com. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button, mash that like button, hit the alert button. Thanks, guys.